Welcome back at the second part of the chapter, the thief story. So here we start the next part. When I was on the road, I began to run. I had the notes held there by the sting of my pajama. I slowed down to a walk, counted the notes, 600 rupees in 50s. I could live, take an oil rich herb for a week or two. Now here the thief was saying that I have enough money. Actually, what he did, he just where he kept the money. First of all, this thing you need to understand that he was wearing a pajama, and in the pajama there was a sting below his stomach. He just waist. He had the sting was just in his waist, and what he did, he just put the money, folded the money with the a knot in his pajama, and just he was just walking down towards the bazaar, towards the market. And after that, he got slowed down. He just wait for a while. After that, what he did, he just counted the money. He was just trying to counted the money. And what happened after that, he found that the money which he had lost, the money which he had found were 600 rupees in a 50 notes. And he would spend his the rest 1 or 2 weeks like a Arabian people, like a Sheikh people who are being known as well developed, well these are the symbol of prosperous, these are the symbol of richness. And that's why he is saying that. So this is the process how Hari Singh is trying to put his hand under his mattress to steal the bundle. When I reached the station, I didn't stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life, but dashed straight to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up the speed, and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages, but I hesitated. For some reason I can't explain, and I lost the chance to get away. So here, once he reached at the railway station, he didn't bother about to purchase the ticket, because in his profession it's against his rule and regulation of his profession that the thief never take or never buy the ticket. So he just dashed towards the platform, and he found that literally the Lucknow Express was trying to move. The train was trying to start running, and it had taken little bit speed as well as. And once he wanted to jump into one of the carriages. Carriages means, my dear students, apartment of the train. Just he wanted to jump into one of apartment, but he got hesitated, and he didn't catch the train. There were some reason, but he can't explain right now. So he lost his train to get away from this place. Now here, when the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than friends. Now here, as he had reached at the railway station, now the train had moved. He didn't have any another source to go away. So he found that standing at the platform, it looks like that he is the only one person remaining in that whole city. That the place was looking so deserted, so isolated, so lonely, because nobody was at the station. After departure of people, after the arrival of people, when there is no any sign of train, mostly you have seen that the train looks like totally isolated, especially at the night time. Now, where to spend the night? There is no friends, or there is no any relatives or friends. He is saying what his perception about the friends. The friends are more trouble than helps. That they always make troubles, not they are trying to help the. So, and the next line, what he's saying, and I did not want to make anyone curious by standing at one of the small hotel near the station. So if I take the room near the railway station, and anybody can have curiosity to know about that, why I am alone looking for room or staying alone in any hotel, or at the age of 15 years. So maybe many people would get curious, and maybe they can report me on the to the police that such type of prospect is being found, who is looking little bit illegal, who is looking bit strange. for this small village, small town. So he didn't want to take risk. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. So now, only in this whole town, I know that only one person, who is Anil, and Anil, to whom I have given deceive. So he just went towards the bazaar. Now he is realizing, he is trying to considering about that. He is little bit, whatever he had done, it's not good, it's not right, especially for this person who had done immense belief on such type of strange people, strange persons like Hari Singh. And to rob a such type of person, it's not good, it's a sin. Whatever he had done sin. Sin means beta pap. So he went towards the again bazaar. In my short career of the thief, I had made study of man faces. Very important paragraph. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men faces. When they had lost their goods, the greedy man showed fear, the rich man showed anger, the poor man showed acceptance. Now, here, in his short career, as he was lonely, as he was alone at the whole town, because nobody was at the night time out of their house, so he was only alone, the market was closed. So what he was thinking in his mind, he was considering in his mind that that in my profession, in my short career of this profession, the thief profession, robbery profession, i have I have learned the faces of people, especially when they are robbed. After that, how's the expression of the people faces? Suppose if the greedy man is there, if the greedy man is being robbed, his face expression would be that fear. There would be a shade of fear you could see in the face of people, such type of greedy person. The rich people who are being robbed, they will always show anger, and the poor men always show the acceptance that the God had done okay, by the grace of God everything would be okay. The poor men never show such type of anger, fear, or anything else. And now the main line is that, but I knew that Anil face, when he discovered the theft, would show only a touch of sadness, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. But people, I knew Anil. Anil face would, how his face would be react. Uh, he wouldn't have too much hurt that somebody had stolen his money, he had been robbed. He would get hurt when he come to know that this person, Hari Singh, to whom I had done always good things, to whom I always trying to do my best to make him educated, to make him his life prospectful, or that people can respect him, that he can be educated. Such type of person to whom I always think good things, such type of person had robbed me, he would get hurt. His heart would start weeping, his heart would start broken. So that's the thing he wants to say in this paragraph. So it means that he is repenting, he is regretting by himself that he had done a very big mistake in his life. I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on the bench. The night was chilly, it was early November, and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. Soon it was raining quite heavily. My shirt and pajama stuck to my skin, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. Now, here, as from Bazaar, he had reached to the Maidan. Maidan means a ground where a playground he had reached, where is a bench where he sat on the bench. And suddenly there was a shower, a little shower started falling, and which has ruined his discomfort, which has ruined his comfort. And now, after a while, the problem becomes so big that when the small drizzle has been converted into a big drizzle, a big rain, a heavy rainfall, and his whole clothes, pajama, shirt, everything were stuck to his body, to his whole body. And what happened after that, it was a November time especially, and winter time, and in the winter season he didn't have too much hot clothes, so he was getting also shivering, he was also getting so cold, even though there was a blow of air was touching to his face, pushing his face, pushing his body by the chilled air. So he was feeling so discomfort. Now in the next paragraph, I went back to the bazaar and sat down to the shelter. In the shelter of the clock tower, the clock showed midnight. I felt the notes, they were damp from the rain. So here, what happened to escape, to save his life, to escape from the rain? He just went towards the bazaar and took the shelter under the clock tower. He took the place where he could save from the not only rain but also from the wind, chilled wind. And what he found his in his pajama, that all the notes were damp. Damp means get wet by the water, by the rain. Anil's money. In the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to cinema, but now I had it all. I couldn't cook his meal, run to the bazaar, and learn to write whole sentence anymore. So here he is repenting, as I have told you, as he had done. He knew that he had done something wrong, and he is realizing everything. That tomorrow morning he would definitely give me 2 3 rupees to go to watch any movie in the cinema hall, and after that I wouldn't lost the chance to get some little bit extra income from going to bazaar to bring the shop to get the shopping. And the main thing is that I have lost the opportunity to learn something, to be get educated. That every time he is trying to teach me something, even it is food, even it is reading, writing, or adding the numbers, so he is just repenting on his in himself. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Whole sentence I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. Now, here, in the time of excitement, when I was trying to steal, when I was thinking, only negative prospects were coming in my mind, perception were coming in my mind, that I am running away from my business, I am running away my profession of robbery. That before the robbery, before stealing the money of Anil. And now, when finally he had robbed, the positive thinkings coming in his mind, that there is a big opportunity which I have missed. That right now I am running behind the few hundreds rupees, but after being educated, I would be a successful person. There would be everything, every basic things to me. Now, what I have done, he is just get sorrow. He just get a little bit sad. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. Like stealing or being caught is a simple thing, but being a very big man, being a very successful man, it's a different matter. He is saying by himself that he sometimes he just steals, sometimes he just being caught. It's a matter of daily routine. It's a simple matter of his life, but it is become a very extraordinary matter of his life to be a very big man, a very successful man, a very high man, or the man who had achieved everything, who have achieved respect, who is very clever. Clever means that he know how, he has all the manners to talk, a very sensible talks. He has know about the knowledge of language. He can have the knowledge about the adding the numbers. He can calculate very fastly. So the meaning of clever is that I should go back to Anil. I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. So if I want to be a successful man, I have to go back again to the Anil and put the money same where I have taken. I hurried back to the room, feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. Undetected, my dear student, meaning is little bit different for you. Let me explain you. You have seen in many security, in the security system, where it is airport, where it is railway station, there is a detector machine, metal detector machine holding by the security guard to check their whole body if some suspected things are not being entered inside some public places. So detector is to means to check something, or to find something. So here he is saying that without realizing anybody, to put the same money at the same place, it's very hard for him, very difficult for him, because he had never ever experienced such type of events. I opened the door quietly and then stood on the doorway. In the cloud moonlight, Anil was still asleep. So when I entered in the room, I found that by the light of moon, he was just still sleeping. I crept to the head of the bed. Crept means I have already told you the crept means, my dear students, walking by insects, walking like insects, like here, like that, like crocodile, snakes. And my hand came up with the notes. I felt the breath of my hands. My on my hands. I remember I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. So what I did, I found the his mattress, and what I did, at the edge of the mattress, I just lift his mattress and put the money under it, and that what is my work which I need to do it. I woke and after night, after sleeping, what happened in the next morning? I woke late next morning to find the Anil had already made the tea. So what I did this morning, I woke up little bit late, and I found that the tea had been made by the Anil. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50 rupees note between his finger. When I opened my eyes, I found that the Anil was giving me. He just stretched his hand by holding a note of 50 rupees in his hand and towards me. He was just trying to give me. My heart sank. Sank means little bit. My heart started throbbing. My heartbeat get higher. I thought I had been discovered. Maybe I have been caught. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now I will be paid regularly. Now, while he was giving me the money, 50 rupees, he said that as yesterday I made some money. I just earned some money by my reliable resources. Now I will also give you a little bit money, a little bit part of money I would share with you as a good friend, as you are my little brother. That's why. My spirit rose, but when I took the notes, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. So when I took the money, I found that the note is little bit still wet due to the night rainfall. Today we will start writing sentence, he said, and he also said me that today we are going to a new section of writing. So what we are going to write, we will learn how to write a proper sentence, full sentence. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in the most appealing way, and the smile came it by itself without any efforts. No, Hari Singh was saying that in my perception, according to me, I found that he had found that something had definitely done wrong late night. But his expression, his face feeling, neither his eyes nor his lips were showing any bad thing happened in the night. They were just normal as it used to be at the later in the previous days. And now I was at the most appealing way to see him and without any efforts. So this was the meaning, this was the chapter which we have completed right now. And now, my dear students, let's start with the question answer. How does the thief think Anil will react to the theft? Now, how would Anil think? We have completed this question answer as well as in the when we are reading it. As Hari Singh was telling us that he knew there are many type of person he had been through after robbery. He had started knowing the expression of faces of people when they are being robbed. Especially, he told us that those people who are greedy, after being robbed, there is a full panic, a full fear could be seen on their face. And this is the situation of greedy man. And suppose those people who are so rich, when they are being theft, they are being robbed, after being robbed, how they react, there is a great expression of anger, cruelty, that how this impossible thing could be happen to me. And they just started making calls, they just started making abuses to the thief. And those person who are poor, those who are very below the poverty, those people, if they are being robbed, they never show they never show fear, they never show anger, only they accept whatever had happened with them. They accepted it and they just busy on their own work. So but now the answer of this question, how the Anil would react when he will realize that he had been theft. The Anil would not, he would not be sad that his money had been stolen. He would become so sad. He would become so sorrow. He not only sorrow, he would be hurted by seeing that, by observing that the Hari Singh, to whom he had trusted a lot, to whom he wanted to do something little bit extra for giving him education, to give him good lesson of his life, and he wants to make him a better person in his life. A such type of person who had robbed him, he would be getting hurt. So this is the answer of Anil. What does he say about the different reaction of people when they are being robbed? Now, what would be the reaction? Yes, recently I have given you the answer. Uh, the reaction of the people would be, if suppose, if a greedy man had been robbed, he would show panic, expression of fear. Angry men show abuse, anger, cruelty, and the poor person always show acceptance whether they are robbed. So this is the meaning. Does Anil realize that he has been robbed? It's a little bit tricky question. I want you to write down, but let me explain you the answer so you can write down. Anil, who was almost bigger than him, double in the age, double in the experience, and also educated, he definitely had realized that yesterday some such things happened, but he didn't say anything about it because there was a reason behind it. He knew that Hari Singh was desperately wanted to do something positive in his life. Due to the poverty, due to the lack of reliable resources, he couldn't done good things. He couldn't do. He couldn't get education in in our nation because there are too much people who are there are too much young people, young students, young boys, girls are working under the laborer, or they are deprived from the privilege of life, so they didn't have any way except to get bag or bagging or working hard in the hotel, in the factory, in industries. So he knew that this is the culture of India, this is the culture of our country, that many young generation, many young people who are deprived from the privilege, they are forced to do these things. So not only Hari, there are many people who are, some people are working, some people believe in hard work, and some people like Hari Singh, they just find the shortcut to earn the money. And but once he realized that Hari Singh was very desperately to achieve something, to be a successful man in his life. So he knew that Hari Singh would, yes, he had done something wrong, but he would definitely return. And when he returned, he felt so relaxed, and he felt that whatever I want to make him, by not teaching him, by not telling him, by just by his own experience, he had learned that whatever he has done is definitely done wrong thing. He has done sin, and he came back towards the same place and returned the monies at the same place, and now they both are living happy. And so this is the great lesson which Anil had taught him without showing, by his lips, by his words. And he had understood each and every aspects of life, that in the thieving, in the robbery, there is nothing except the insult, the torture, the punishment. But if a person is honest, definitely he would get a great reward in his life. So that is the meaning, that is the answer of this question. So there are uh, other questions which we can discuss about it. Now here, which type of questions are being come in the exam paper? Let me ask you, let me tell you, 2 3 questions are there which are definitely come in the question paper. First is that, how did Hari entered in the house of Anil? Second question. Hari said that asking for help from the friends is a trouble, not help. Why did he say it? Third question is that why do Hari Singh have to change his name after? Why did the thief Hari Singh had to change his name? So you have to write these three questions answers by your own self. These are the important questions, and you have to write by your own self. So thank you, students, to be with me, to have with me, and we will meet at the next chapter. And till then, thank you so much. Bye bye.